In the vast expanse of the cosmos, there exists a profound and unifying principle known as the law of divine oneness. This principle is not just a distant, abstract concept, but a living truth that we can observe and experience in our daily lives. This law, elegant in its simplicity yet profound in its implications, asserts that we are all interconnected, part of a single, indivisible whole. It reminds us that every action, thought, and emotion we have sends ripples through the fabric of existence, affecting not just ourselves but everyone and everything around us. It suggests that beneath the surface of our perceived separateness lies a fundamental unity, a cosmic tapestry where each thread is intricately woven with every other. Just as the roots of trees in a forest are interconnected, sharing nutrients and information, so too are we connected in ways that are often invisible but deeply impactful. Imagine a world where the boundaries we perceive between ourselves and others dissolve. In this world, the divisions of race, nationality, and belief systems fade away, revealing the underlying truth of our shared humanity. We begin to see each other not as separate entities, but as integral parts of a greater whole. A world where we recognize the inherent interconnectedness of all beings. This recognition fosters a sense of empathy and compassion, as we understand that the well-being of one is intrinsically linked to the well-being of all. When we harm another, we are, in essence, harming ourselves. This is the world that the law of divine oneness invites us to embrace. It calls us to move beyond the illusion of separateness and to live in harmony with all of creation. By doing so, we create a more peaceful, loving, and just world. This law is not a concept confined to the realm of spirituality or mysticism. It is a principle that can be observed in the natural world and in the interconnected systems of our societies. Scientists, too, are beginning to understand the profound interconnectedness of life through fields such as ecology, quantum physics, and systems theory. It is a living, breathing reality that permeates every aspect of our existence. From the way ecosystems function to the dynamics of human relationships, the law of divine oneness is at play, guiding the flow of life and the evolution of consciousness. By understanding and aligning ourselves with this universal principle, we unlock a deeper understanding of ourselves, our relationships, and the world around us. We begin to see the beauty in our diversity and the strength in our unity. We realize that every act of kindness, every gesture of love, and every moment of understanding contributes to the greater good. Embracing the law of divine oneness means living with the awareness that we are all part of a larger, interconnected web of life. It means recognizing that our actions have far-reaching consequences and choosing to act in ways that promote harmony and well-being for all. It is an invitation to live with greater mindfulness, compassion, and a sense of shared purpose. As we embrace this law, we begin to transform not only our own lives, but also the world around us. We become agents of positive change, contributing to a collective awakening to the truth of our interconnectedness. This is the promise and the power of the law of divine oneness. Let us embrace this profound principle and allow it to guide us towards a future where unity, love, and understanding prevail. In doing so, we honor the divine essence within ourselves and within all of creation. At its core, the law of divine oneness reminds us that we are not isolated entities, but rather integral parts of a vast and interconnected web of life. This profound principle suggests that every action, thought, and emotion we experience is intricately linked to the larger tapestry of existence. Imagine a spider web, where each strand is connected to another, creating a delicate yet resilient structure. In the same way, our lives are woven into the fabric of the universe, each of us contributing to the strength and beauty of the whole. Just as the cells in our body work together to create a functioning whole, so too do we, as individuals, come together to form communities, societies, and ultimately, the global human family. Each cell in our body has a specific role, yet it cannot function in isolation. It relies on the cooperation and communication with other cells to sustain life. Similarly, our actions and interactions with others create a network of relationships that support and nurture us. So too are we all interconnected, each playing a vital role in the grand symphony of existence. Picture an orchestra where each musician plays a unique instrument, contributing to a harmonious performance. If one musician were to play out of sync, the entire symphony would be affected. In the same way, our individual actions and choices resonate within the larger collective, influencing the harmony of our shared reality. This interconnectedness is not merely a philosophical concept. It is a tangible reality that can be observed in countless ways. Nature provides us with abundant examples of this principle. Consider the roots of trees, which intertwine and communicate with one another through a network of fungi, sharing nutrients and information, or the way streams and rivers connect to form vast networks of water that sustain ecosystems. Even the smallest creatures, like ants, work together in highly organized colonies, each performing tasks that benefit the whole. The air we breathe, for example, connects us to every living being on the planet. Every breath we take is a reminder of our connection to the earth and all its inhabitants. The oxygen we inhale is produced by plants and trees, which in turn rely on the carbon dioxide we exhale. This exchange is a beautiful demonstration of the interdependence that sustains life. The food we eat is the product of a complex web of relationships between plants, animals, and the environment. From the farmers who cultivate the land, to the pollinators that enable plants to bear fruit, to the microorganisms in the soil that nourish the crops, each element plays a crucial role in bringing food to our tables. When we sit down to a meal, we are partaking in the fruits of this intricate web of life. Even our thoughts and emotions, often perceived as deeply personal and internal, have the power to ripple outwards, impacting the world around us. When we cultivate positive thoughts and emotions, we contribute to a more harmonious and compassionate world. Conversely, negative thoughts and emotions can create discord and disharmony. Just as a single pebble can create ripples that spread across a pond, our inner states can influence the collective consciousness. Every thought we think, every emotion we feel, sends out subtle vibrations that interact with the energy field of the universe. These vibrations can attract similar energies, shaping our experiences and the reality we perceive. By becoming aware of this interconnectedness, we can make more conscious choices that align with the greater good. We can strive to cultivate thoughts and actions that uplift and inspire, recognizing that we are all co-creators of our shared reality. In understanding the essence of oneness, we embrace our role in the grand tapestry of life, knowing that each thread we weave contributes to the beauty and strength of the whole. To truly grasp the essence of the law of divine oneness, it can be helpful to envision life as a vast and intricate tapestry. Imagine each thread as a unique individual, each with their own color, texture, and story. These threads, when woven together, create a beautiful and complex design that is far greater than the sum of its parts. Each one of us represents a single thread in this tapestry, seemingly distinct yet inextricably interwoven with every other thread. Our lives intersect and overlap in countless ways, forming connections that are both visible and invisible. These connections are the essence of our shared humanity, reminding us that we are never truly alone. The colors and textures of our individual threads may vary, representing our unique personalities, experiences, and perspectives. Some threads may be bright and bold, while others are soft and subtle. Each thread adds its own special touch to the tapestry, contributing to its overall beauty and complexity. Yet together we create a magnificent and harmonious whole. The tapestry of life is a testament to the power of unity and collaboration. When we come together, we can achieve incredible things, overcoming challenges and creating a world that is rich in diversity and full of potential. No single thread is more or less important than any other. Each contributes to the overall beauty and integrity of the tapestry. Every person, no matter their background or circumstances, has something valuable to offer. Our differences are not a source of division, but rather a source of strength and inspiration. Just as a tug on one thread of a tapestry will inevitably affect the entire fabric, so too do our actions, thoughts, and emotions have far-reaching consequences. Every choice we make, no matter how small, can create ripples that extend far beyond our immediate surroundings. This interconnectedness means that we have the power to influence the world in profound ways. The law of divine oneness teaches us that we are all interconnected, and therefore, we are all responsible for the well-being of the whole. When we act with kindness and compassion, we contribute to the overall harmony of the tapestry. By recognizing our shared humanity and embracing our interconnectedness, we can create a world that is more just, more peaceful, and more beautiful for everyone. In this grand tapestry of life, every thread matters. Every action, every word, and every thought has the potential to shape the world around us. Let us weave our threads with intention and love, knowing that together we can create something truly extraordinary. The law of divine oneness is a reminder that we are all part of something greater than ourselves, and that our collective efforts can lead to a brighter future for all. As we move forward, let us carry this understanding with us. Let us honor the connections that bind us and celebrate the diversity that enriches us. In doing so, we can create a tapestry of life that is vibrant, resilient, and full of hope. Together, we are stronger, and together we can achieve anything.